Right, it's the 3rd of April. I'm in the ground floor Ensuite, and it's a heavy rainfall last night. And I think we're just getting a lot of penetrating above this roof. We're getting penetrating water coming in, and it's manifesting itself on this old stonework. And I'll show you, wipe my hand over that. Certainly wet to the touch. You see some globules of water all over that. That's wet to the touch. And all this stonework's very, very damp. So that's part of our argument for hopefully getting, you see the water glistening off this. Don't know if you can see that or not, but it is wet through. It's streaming out of that one. So we've got to get, hopefully, exterior insulation on this back elevation and do our best to stop it migrating into this ensuite. Okay.